Fiber closures shouldn't slow your crew down. With Multilink's gel dome enclosures, installations are faster and simpler than the competition, powered by gel seal technology, delivering a reliable seal without the need for heat or special tools. Simple to use, thumb screws secure the basket quicker than cumbersome metal latches. Engineered trays, routing paths, and a superior slack basket keep fibers organized, protected, and easy to manage. And when it's time to access the network again, the gel dome opens just as easily as it installs. 6 non-captive entry points with drop-in capabilities make any update a simple fix, whether you're deploying flat drop or standard round cables. Fully compatible with CommScope's FOSC trays for seamless cross-brand integration. Multilink's gel dome, proudly made in America, proven in the field. The gel dome enclosure is available in capacity ranges from 48 to 576 single splices, 96 to 1,152 double-stacked splices, or 384 to 2,304 mass fusion splices.